big? Yeah, we kept it so clean last year that ain't nobody even tried this year.
Right.
They're assuming that it's gone already.
Well, it's good to get outside, you know.
Yeah.
But this is hidden in there pretty good.
Yeah. We didn't miss him. Okay, there's a whole bunch right here.
Oh, I didn't even see them as I
whole
picked the other one.
bunch, man.
Whoa. The expert picker. The expert hunter. I only took the ones I could see.
I'm looking for the old stalks that are hidden under the green grass to check for new growth that hasn't popped above the grass.
There's that one. This one I'm gonna leave. This one's out. I would leave this right.
You want the top?
I don't want the top of the. No, I'd rather have that go to. Oh, just the real tippy top.
Yeah.
All right.
See, now when I come back tomorrow or next week, I'll say, yep, Jeremiah was here, because nobody picks that.
Here's one right here. So, let's go like this. Oh, we got one right here in the grass. Here we go. Right next to the poison ivy.
Oh, yeah.
You get that one. He's got the other one. It's been dry a little bit, and we're gonna get some rain, I hope. And it's good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
One right here.
Yeah. I have to watch poison ivy because I don't want to get that all over me.
I don't get it.
I know you don't get it. That's why you don't care.
Steel toe.
I mean, I got stuff for it. The ivy.
Yeah, but it ain't no fun.
No, I know. I can spray my arms down when I get back.
I think I had poison ivy when I was younger, and I've had chicken pox, and I know what it's like to have an itch. So.
It's got more poison ivy. Well, this is it
that
right
on
there.
anybody. That's like torture, you know? These little baby ones.
And
we'll give them a couple more days.
these are some little ones right here. I see this other huge one.
Yeah, with
Poison ivy all around it too.
That's gonna get it anyway.
Go for it.
Little tiny baby.
Little baby one.
And this one's ready. And this one's ready.
This little guy in here. And I probably won't see the other. Oh, they're there.
Good, It's awfully quiet over here now that all them birds' houses have been torn down.
I know, with all the nest for the
Oh, yeah.
red-winged blackbird.
When people search for it, then they find stuff.
I got that one right there.
That's an accomplishment there.
So, we got these right here.
I see 5 pieces.
You see more. You always do. There's that one. You can get the rest of it. I know there's a little one. You must be close to another nest too. Mama's mad. Okay, we'll move along. I picked that one. I missed that one. These are like the purple ones.
Alright, now we're halfway.
The poison ivy. Oh.
There we go.
Now, what are your thoughts about picking asparagus by the side of the road?
Call it organic.
Well, a lot of people say that it's not good to eat stuff near the side of the road, but we're really not on the road.
Right. Well, what chemicals are you worried about? You got chemicals from the farm.
Cars and farm, and
Yeah.
they just did that ditch, and there's a dirt road over there.
Well, I'd say if we lived in a vacuum, it might be dangerous, but since the air is moving all the time, it doesn't matter whether you're next to the road or in the middle of the field, you're going to get exhaust from the car.
Well, there's not any cars out here.
There you go. How do I picked it right next to the asparagus. Here's one.
Oh, that's a fish. Oh, those are big fish. What are they?
Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Carp, probably. 2 of them.
This is what we picked today, asparagus hunting 2022.